step 1, sand the wood. I believe this is mahogany wood, an antique chair which I got from an antique shop second hand. In step 2, what you do is just put loads of masking tape or painter's tape around the chair, because obviously I want to do one colour for the fabric and another colour for the wood. So just make it water based, put loads of water all over the fabric, and that way all the paint will absorb into all the fabric. Don't forget, not professional, just enjoy crafting and doing DIYs. So what we're going to do here is I went to B&M and got some chalk paint. Fortunately, they didn't actually have like the tub of paint, they had the spray paint, so I was like, alright then, I'll give it a go. So just spray the chalk paint all over the fabric. I've chosen blue because my favourite colours are gold and blue, which goes for the theme of the house. So just keep spraying in all the areas and all the little intricate areas around the fabric, around the chair. And I used the whole can, which is 2 layers of paint, which I think takes like, they say up to 12 hours to dry, but honestly it dried in probably about 5 hours. So it doesn't look bad, does it? So like and subscribe and comment down below. Always enjoy reading your comments. So here we are, keep watching for the last step. So I just use some wall paint, or just all-purpose paint, white paint, all over the wood. And the smaller brush used for the smaller areas. I use 2 layers, and 2 layers is enough. And just keep painting.